My name is Renan Kobayashi, and I'm a graduate student here at the Department of Plant Pathology and Microbiology at Iowa State. Since 2014, I've been working with Dr. Leandro and Dr. Miller on sudden death syndrome of soybean, which is also known as STS. STS is caused by Fusarium virguliforme, which is a soil-borne pathogen that infects the plant through the roots early in the season and can cause two types of symptoms. The first one is root rot, where it will limit the plant uptake of water and nutrients. And the second one is foliar symptoms, foliar chlorosis and necrosis, which will cause early defoliation of the plant, and consequently that will limit the yield. Another component of our research is cover crop. If you're not very familiar with the cover crops, they are basically plants that are grown to protect the soil between fall and spring season. And its use has been more and more applied here in Iowa by the farmers. So our research is focused on the relationship between cover crop and STS. So we wanted to find out if the cover crops are susceptible or not to the pathogen and what effect that will have on the soybean in the next year. So in order to test that, we developed a project in the greenhouse where we test 15 different species of cover crops inoculated with the pathogen. So we grow them for about 5 weeks, and then we take them down, we wash, we look to the roots and see if we find any symptom that is likely to be STS. And also we extract DNA from those roots in the lab, and we look to see, using molecular methods, to see if we have the pathogen is present or not. Preliminary results shows us that legume species of cover crops that we tested, such as clover, pea, and hairy vetch, they did get infected by the pathogen. Thus, they might be major contributors for inoculum buildup of the pathogen in the soil. On the other hand, grasses and brassica species such as rye, oats, turnip, and mustard, they did not show any symptom of STS, so they might be a better option for farmers with problems with STS in their field. Last but not least, I'd like to thank the United Soybean Board for making this project possible.